Greeting, my name is Wong Kok Seong. I am currently studying Bachelor of Business Management in Berjaya University College of Hospitality. It is my second year of study and I would like to apply for the internship programs that are offered by your organizations. My current CGPA is 3.99 out of 4.0 and I am also active in the club and society in my university. I am one of the founders of the clubs as well as the vice president of the club. During my high school time, I also active in the club and societies in my high school. I was graduated from SMK Tinggi Kajang with the STPM result of 3.67 out of 4.0. I have worked as a sales representative in telecommunication companies for 6 months and left for the job to pursue my education. I was promoted to the supervisor's positions in the first 3 months with the highest sales achievement. I also active in the activity outside my education. I have joined the Asianta Young Talent Program for 2 weeks, where the aims of for the programs is to train the participants for better preparations to become a greater leaders in the near future. Besides, I am also the Malaysia representative for the Global Startup Youth in KLCC 2 months ago. The event was international scale where 500 participants come from all over the world for 3 days to discuss and find the solutions for the global issues. I am proficient in major languages such as English, Bahasa Malaysia, Mandarin, and some Chinese dialect. I also master the computer skills such as Microsoft Office and have experience in Microsoft project management. In summary, I am a person who is self-leadership, team dynamic, good in interpersonal skills, and have good marketing skill. Thank you for your attention for the video resume and hope to receive the good news from you in the near future. Thanks and regards.